Yeah, boys, it's finally here. The moment that we all been waiting for, and the moment that my neighbors haven't been waiting for. It's here. This box contains the power to make your neighbors from 5 houses down hate you every morning at 7 a.m. Today we're installing this bad boy on my Genesis. It's a ISR race mode, whatever you call it, something racing, but today is going in. But I'm not gonna lie, this is a little heavy. Oh my God. I don't want to waste too much time and actually get hands on it. Yo, first things first, this thing is heavy. Look at the burnt tips, man. This thing looks so freaking nice, yo. I wonder how it sounds. Hey, yo, please like this video. Okay, for translation, he said, by the time I come back, you better be done. Let's see. Yo, I promise you this is gonna be a short video.
2 hours later.
I don't know if you could tell, but I am sweaty as fuck right now. Yo, this exhaust, hey, what up, bro? Hey, yo, this exhaust is heavy as shit, man. Plus, I had to take it out in one piece because I'm not gonna waste my time trying to get those out. Now it's time for the installation. So I'm running out of time. That's why I haven't been recording the actual process. So I'm just gonna skip the whole process from this. Boom! There you guys go. The new exhaust is installed. And to be honest, there's not that much of a difference on it. I mean, it is way, not way louder. It's like all right louder, but when you step on it, it sounds a lot better. I'm just gonna send it super fast, that way you guys can hear how it sounds. Let me know how it sounds. Alright, so that is pretty much it, guys. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, guys. Listen, I know I said it a lot, but I really need it. I'm not trying to be too thirsty about it, but I need it. But anyways, my name is Scarface. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!
Let me see it. You let me see it.